Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon at Dusseldorf. I'm at Knaus Sun. I'm going to show you this vehicle here. It's a Sun I motorhome. It comes at a fair whack of cash. It's Sun i700 leg, 175,000 euros. Yeah, I'll show you the technical stuff if it works. 765 centimeters long by 234 wide. Internal standing height 200, height 316. I think I'm actually getting short. I've never thought that was 316. Anyway, right, coming up here, notice it's got a double floor, and we've got this very elegant look to it at the front, and so we've got the chairs down there. I've got an extra bed up here. We have got this elegant look to it, and it might be too dark for some people. I do appreciate that. Actually, Cabit sort of has this sort of a look to it as well. But each their own. Each gets what they want. If you want something bright, have a look at the Hymer in the similar vehicle. I think the headboard looks okay. Window either side with curtains. And net curtain, and of course you get the darkening screen and the mosquito screen, which are built into the Remis window. Daft is this pointless could have, this level of cost. You could put some proper storage in there instead of some decorative element which won't be any use to you whatsoever. Under here we will find storage, and in my opinion, sorry, I'm gonna show you I'm gonna have to show you the mattress. Right here, the mattress, in my opinion, if you're gonna lift things up, the mattress has to be in two parts. I do appreciate I was trying to lift everything up with all that on it as well, which doesn't make it easy. But whereas you can see that this will lift up. It would be easier if that were the mattresses were in two parts. Anyway, that apart. If anybody from Knaus were watching, but I doubt anybody ever does. I think there's supposed to be a light in here as well. But it's not working if there is. There's a bit that fits in here using a board. Here's the bit that fits in there. I'll just stick it in like that, and that can give you an idea of how big the bed is. It's absolutely enormous. Anyway, right, we've got this very nice large shower. Look how big it is. It's really big. We've also got a door over here which will close there, and there's the toilet, there's the washroom and the mirror, as well as storage over here, which is pointless because the ledge isn't deep enough, and anything there could very well fall out as the vehicle comes into motion. It would of course damage the carpet if you kept the carpet down, but depending on what it was that you were storing up there, so keeping bleach might not be a good idea. Of course the carpet is down here to protect this vehicle during the event. Very elegant. Recessed 3 burners from Thetford, nice looking sink. It comes with a water filter. It comes here with this bin, which is handy for the stuff you might be cleaning, or I don't know, potato bits or whatever. And notice it's got soft close. Show you that. Sorry. No. Alright, notice it has a soft close, but sometimes the furniture gets in the way. We'll do that one again. We'll do it again with the one you haven't seen. We'll do it with this one, right? And now, notice, I'll do the whole thing again, right? Notice it's got a soft close. Okay, right, you saw that. Up here, a pointless thing here, which it might look elegant, but unless you put ledges on things are going to move. They're going to not be held in place. And that's a message. Whoever designs these things, if you ever use your vehicle, you'd know, right, what was going on. Right, okay, good. Over here we've got a freezer and a fridge. Oh, it's broken. I want to see what's happened here. There's a fridge. Sorry, yeah. Fridge here. Whoever had this before though didn't. Yeah, that'll probably work now, I think. Yeah. The fridge is really clever, but these pins can break, and people not knowing how it works is part of the problem. But one has to be very careful with it, because it's not going to be as tough as a normal fridge. Although the idea is brilliant, you can open it both sides, absolutely fantastic. Anyway, right, so there's your Truma Aventa air conditioning. Works on 230 volts only, shore power. There you go. Here we've got this very nice, very nice seating area. Let's see if we can get the bed down. Let's see. I'm not suggesting we are going to get the bed down. I'm just going to have a see, right? If that's all right. If nobody's got anything against it. Well, somebody's got something against it. I can't get the bed down, sorry. I can't get this thing here home. I think I need 2 hands for that. Anyway, the bed. Pull this out and it drops down. You can see the size of it actually. It's a pity you can't get that down, because we've got the chairs here already ready to go in the right position to get the bed down. Anyway, sorry. Electric there. I'll give you a link to one where the bed's taken down, okay? So you can see. It mightn't be this vehicle, but they all work the same or similar, in a similar manner. In this case here, you've got this is your locking device there. I like this. I like this corner piece. I think it looks really good. I can see somebody saying, well, yeah, you might be cooking there and this is going to get splashed on and all the rest of it. Well, yeah, maybe it will do. I think it's like everything, you've got to be careful. Television's currently up as a splash guard. Don't use this television as a splash guard. That was a little joke of mine. Right, let's come out here. So you've got a cabinet here for your glasses. That certainly looks better than what I've got for mine, which is a cardboard box. And 2 gas cylinders go in here, easy access, although this is sort of the more traditional place to leave gas cylinders. In here we've got a very large garage, fantastically large garage. This rounded bit, that's where the entrance into the bed. You may argue that would be better if that were it was straight down here and change the bed entrance. I would agree. I do admit that though, the entrance to the bed looks very elegant, in my opinion. Others may disagree. There you go, Sun from Knaus. Incidentally, there will be more information in the description. Right, fresh water. Let's have a look at this. Fresh water. Okay. 2 lots of fresh water. You can fill it up twice as quickly. You get your service box down the bottom here. Truma frost guard. Batteries are there, and of course I need to point out, if you want to extend it to a huge amount of batteries, you'd put them in the garage or something like that. You wouldn't necessarily have to leave them here. You've got your fuse boxes there as well, and there you go. There's the Sun from Knaus. They also do a bigger version at a similar price, which is over here. You can see that in a different video at the moment. Thanks for watching. This is the Sun from Knaus. I'd have to say, look at the Carthago version. That's not me quite exactly the same, the version, but Hymer or Carthago, certainly a better buy than this. But anyway, thanks for watching. All the best from me, and bye for now.